Welcome back, folks. Putting New Mexico on the map, a group of local middle school students just qualified for the world's largest robotics competition, a major accomplishment in and of itself. And this team is just cracking the surface of what they can achieve. And we are joined this morning by Dr. Shelley Grunig of R4, creating along with three of the students that are on the team, Journey, Maya, and Elijah. Guys, thanks for being here with us. So, Shelley, let's talk a little bit about this competition. This is a huge deal that these kids are part of.
Absolutely. Only 3 teams qualified from the entire state of New Mexico.
Wow.
So we're really excited to have them go and compete. Not only is this the world's largest robotics competition, but these kids are going to be competing against other children from Japan, China, Czechoslovakia, you name it, other countries from around the world all come to Dallas. And in 2 weeks, it takes 2 weeks. We're only going to be there for 4 days, but they do middle school, high school, and elementary levels. And so I'm super proud of these students and their hard work that has gotten them to this point.
Yeah, as well as you should be. So guys, tell us, I'm curious what got you guys into robotics at first. We'll start off, Maya, with you. What got you into it?
I don't know. It was just, I've always liked robots. I thought they were cool, like little amalgamations of what humans can truly make. I was always interested in building, coding, all that stuff. It just kind of called to me, we'll say.
Okay. Journey, how about you?
So I got interested in robotics because a large portion of it actually was thanks to Be Greater Than Average, because I participated in some of their summer camps, which was to build a robot.
And Elijah, how about you?
Well, I like driving the robot and building it, and I like helping coding too. Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, just the whole thing. Now, we do have a robot over here on our set, is that right?
Yes.
So tell us about this. Now, you guys all worked collaboratively to build this little guy, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so walk us through what he's doing here. He's getting his bearings here. What is this robot able to do?
So this robot, he's able to essentially go over to the blue area and lift it up, dispensing 10 discs for us to score points with.
Okay. So if it lists, so is the scoring in the competition, it's how it's able to execute certain actions, is that right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So the orange discs, and this is only a small corner of the game field.
I would imagine.
So the robot has quite a few little jobs that it has to do, but the ultimate goal is to score those discs into certain areas, and that starts with this little robot by knocking it out.
There it goes. There we go.
Okay,
We got half of them. There you go.
All those points, all those discs. And then if we had the full game field, they'd work on getting them over to a bigger scoring area using the different components there, their flywheel that they have built.
That is fantastic.
To score. Yeah.
Now we got about a minute left, but, so I want to make sure that we get this point in because it's important. There is a fundraising component to help get these kids to Dallas. Is that right? Tell us about that.
Absolutely. Elijah was just telling us he went out and knocked on doors with his parents yesterday.
Yeah.
And what'd you just tell me? You told me a stranger, complete stranger, wrote a check to support us, huh?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah. So this isn't just about the robots, Chad.
Yeah.
I mean, this is about public speaking skills, the ability to communicate with others and to learn to reach out and share your ideas, spread your ideas. And so that's what they're doing. They're busy fundraising so that they can pay to make it to Dallas. So if folks want to donate to the team and the program, they can go to r4creating.org and click the Donate Now button there on that website.
r4creating.org. I know we got to wrap up very quickly. Is there a deadline that we need to get those funds in for?
Well, we are headed to Dallas. Our goal is to finish fundraising by April 29th.
April
so
29th,
time is just in the next week here.
Clock is ticking. There you go.
Yes.
And of course, we will post links a little bit later on at krqe.com. Head over there, guys. Best of luck in Dallas. Thanks for coming in. We'll be right back.